Welcome to this video about the ABB Ability Building Analyzer. In this video, we will look at setting targets. Any meter can be configured with a target usage, which is the amount that the meter should record given the observed values of the factors known to affect the meter's reading. Start by clicking the meter for which you wish to set the target. Then click Configure Target. Select the schedule group for which you want to set the target. By default, a schedule based on typical office working days is available. Now set up targets for each schedule in the chosen group. Here, for example, we must set a target for bank holidays, weekdays, and weekends. Suppose that employees in your building do not come in on bank holidays and weekends. You can therefore set a fixed value for these respective schedules. On weekdays, however, you will want to select one or more driving factors for your target, depending on the meter. A gas meter, for example, would be tied to heating degree days, or HDD, whereas a chiller should be tied to cooling degree days, or CDD. Here we're looking at the main electricity meter, and it's possible to select multiple driving factors. Then select the period of best correlation. Here, for example, this would be a full year without the winter holidays, which might skew the correlation. In general, if we are setting a target to track ongoing consumption, we want to set the period of best correlation over a time the system has performed efficiently. If we are setting the target to track energy savings, the correlation period will be before the energy improvement measure was implemented. Finally, click Apply. Once the calculation is complete, a summary of the results is displayed. You can verify the R-squared score to see if it is close to 1, meaning a strong correlation. The timeline view also lets you verify that the target does mirror real usage. Finally, the correlation view is another way to verify the correlation.